everyone, what's up? My name's Taylor Hallabuk. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a second semester senior. I'm a strategic communication POE, and for the rest of the semester, I'm going to be vlogging with you guys to keep our Juniata community visible, live, and proud. Isn't that right, JoJo? Okay, so one of the biggest things that everyone is doing in their house during quarantine is giving themselves haircuts. If you know me, I get my haircut once every 2 weeks, and it is driving me crazy that I have not gotten a cut in like 5 weeks. Also, I don't really want to show this, but look how bad my roots are. That's a straight line right there. So I can't do anything about the roots, but I am gonna try to cut the sides of my hair. My mom is not happy about this decision. I'm just gonna give it my best shot. Okay, so I came up with a way to hold my phone up, and I'm a little embarrassed because it is a large thing of toilet paper. So I have no idea how this works. I have no idea. My mom cuts hair too, and she asked me if I wanted her to cut it, and I said no. Because I'm vlogging. If I do this right, it looks like, oh no. So, my guess is you do this. Go ahead and just put this on, super easy. What the heck? Okay. So then I'm gonna turn it on. Here goes nothing. Oh, my mom told me to put a towel down. Towel is down. I don't know how that's gonna help clean up. I'm gonna cut a mohawk and show my mom and tell her I'm done, and we'll see what she says. It's kind of cute, I don't know. Let's see this. We got, and then the back of it. I just don't hate it. Mom, you want to see what it looks like? I did a mohawk. You like it?
You gotta clean your neck off though.
If I don't care.
You either have it or you don't have it.
Oh.
You easily become a hairdresser. I'm impressed.
Well, I got that Doreen Hallabuk seal of approval, and I was not expecting that. Another thing you can do that's been keeping me a little more sane during this quarantine is to drive, get out of the house. Every time I leave the house, my mom equips me with Clorox wipes, and today we got a little treat because she also handed me this coconut bath and body glitter hand sanitizer. And I'm gonna be smelling tropical while driving around Towanda, Pennsylvania. That's always fun. Stay inside! Everyone stay inside! Just doing my part, you know? Really sending them back. Get inside! I forgot to mention this when I was driving around, but here's my way to see my friends and family while staying socially distant. Hey, Antley. This is fun. I miss you. This is fun. Love you. Okay, bye. This is my friend Annie.
Say hi to Taylor.
Hi. Bye, good to see you. Hey, Julia, it's good to see you.
Hey, I have to give you something.
No! Driving around by myself, as you guys know. And I spotted a trampoline that doesn't seem to be being used. If you know me, I always say an unused trampoline is a crime. I'm nervous. Oh yeah, this is what I needed. Okay, here's my story time of the week. I'm gonna try to make it super fast. So basically, about a week ago, I was having absolutely horrible tooth pain. Horrible. I was like, oh my God, why do I have to be having horrible tooth pain during a literal national pandemic? So I tried to ignore it. It did not work, so I had to call the dentist, and they looked at my chart. They were like, okay, you need to come in immediately. So we made an appointment for the next day, and I had to drive up to New York State. That's where my dentist is. I drove up there, and I'm wearing gloves. I have Clorox wipes in my car. I have hand sanitizer. My mom's waiting for me in the car. Yeah, I was scared. I go in, sit in the chair, they take an x-ray, they're like, we have to do the procedure now. I was like, great. They're getting ready to do the procedure, and the dental assistant comes in and she's like getting all the gears ready. I see that she doesn't have gloves on, and she put on a new little, you know, the top of the sucky thing that gets the spit out of your mouth when you're sitting there. She put a new one on, which was great that it was new, but she didn't have a glove on. So I was like, oh no, I'm not getting sick. I've not sat in my house for a month to get sick because this lady's not wearing a glove. So when she left the room, something in my body told me to take the little sucky thing out and throw it on the ground. And I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I just did that. But then it was too late, it was too far, and I couldn't get out of the chair, and it was already done with. So she comes in, and I was like, oh, sorry. I was like, I accidentally knocked that down. She looked at me, and she was like, okay. And it was just really awkward the rest of the time, but she did put a new one on, and it was clean, and she did wear gloves, and I am also feeling much better. That was about a week ago. I'm off my antibiotics, and I am safe and healthy and happy, and my tooth doesn't hurt, so I can eat crunchy food again. And that was story time of the week. That's all I have for this week. Thanks for watching. I will be back next week with more of my life updates. A little something I want to leave you guys off with is what my mom and I have been saying to keep our spirits high during this quarantine, is that it's not being stuck at home.
It's being safe at home.
Exactly. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.